going to be showing you another 60-second binary that I placed on the EUR-USD, the euro. It was a call option, and the investment amount was $24 with a resulting expiry for 40.80, which is nice. As you can see from the 24-option chart, it went against me by quite a bit, and then it rose up in my direction. I'm going to show you why I was remained confident despite the quick turn that happened. So over here is my MetaTrader chart, and basically what this involved was using the tick charts to watch the order flow and also looking at candle formations. So what happened was that I came in right over here at the very edge of this wick of this candle, and so what ended up happening is that the price rose, and I figured it would probably head up in the northern direction because the stochastic was pointing to oversold conditions, so most likely it would head back up. What ended up happening was that actually went against me for quite a bit, and then it rose and came into my direction. So why was this a successful trade? Well, because if it's not very clearly displayed here because of the time limitations, but basically I was looking at the tick chart because the tick chart was able to give me a very good picture of what the bears and the bulls were doing. And so even though price was going down, it was a fight between buyers and sellers, and it was just it was really volatile, and you just see, like, whenever the price would drop, it would rise rapidly, and whenever it would go up, it would fight, and it was just a real tug of war. So my strike price, although it did go against me for quite a bit of the trade and only ended up working at the last second, it was a solid, well thought out trade. So I guess basically what the point of this video is, for me, and if you want to share in this too, is that even though you'll line up all these different confirmations and entries and have all your signals pointing in the right direction to take a trade, sometimes things are going to happen that are out of your control, and you're just going to have to sit back and watch. And but I think that you can avoid a lot of wrong trades, and I haven't made too many wrong trades where all my logic was correct. If you follow your system thoroughly, like if you look, what is the price action doing, what is the stochastic doing, what is the RSI doing, or whatever indicators you're using for your trading, or whether you're using any indicators at all, then the bottom line is that if your system works, pointing in that direction will give you a good result for a good portion of the time, allowing you to be profitable. But sometimes you're just going to experience times where it'll just drop off on you, despite all the indicators and all your signals pointing in the right direction. Luckily, this paid off in the right direction, and I'm happy with that. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to remind you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, as well as the Happy Forexer channel, which is available at youtube.com/user/happyfxer. It's a great channel, great resource with the daily trade done by Rich, and I highly recommend it to you if you're thinking of getting into the binary options world. If you don't have a 24-option account, there's a link in the description down below, and you can get one. And basically, after you fund the account, you can get a demo account, which doesn't have an unreasonably large demo account size. It's a very practical size, $500, which you can use to start practicing your strategies and working on your money management schemes. And eventually, you're going to find that moving from demo to live will be much simpler than when you would if you had like $50,000 in your demo account. Anyways, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time.